Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Asad and welcome back to this series where we are learning Python for everybody. I'm super excited to see how far you have progressed. Now not only you're able to place comments, use print functions, know data types, but also perform mathematical operators on numbers. If you are unsure about these ones, please refer back to the videos that I have made on my channel, comment on them, make sure to do their task before you move to the next one because every video is a succession from a previous one. Okay, so let's get started. In the last video, we did for numbers addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and we also introduced two things which were called modulus and exponents. Again, if you're unsure, please refer back to the videos. In this one, we'll see if we could perform these mathematical operations on strings. With strings, what you could do is you could do addition and you can also do multiplication. So how do I do that? Let's say if I have a print function to show my results, such as my name Muhammad, and then I also wanted to add it to another name which is called Fayaz, which is my surname. Let's see if that prints out. I have simply done two strings, which is this string A to Fayaz and string A Muhammad, and I did exactly the same thing by adding a plus sign. If I run this one and maybe show my output, it will simply give me Muhammad Fayaz. All I could do with the same one is multiplication. Now with multiplication there is a slight difference that if I want to print this Muhammad few times, such as I want to print this Muhammad 3 times, let's see what does this print out. As expected, it printed Muhammad, Muhammad, and then Muhammad. These are the two things that you could do in your mathematical operators using strings. You can either add two strings or you can multiply a string by as many times as you would like. Pretty straightforward, right? So for that, the task that you have to do is make sure to print your name 5 times without typing it 5 times, rather using multiplication, and also print your full name using multiple strings. What do I mean by that is don't write your full name in whole one string, rather write your maybe first name here, then add sign, then maybe middle name if you have one, and then simply your surname like this. You would notice one thing that I have placed a space bar after Muhammad. Let's say if I don't put a space bar and I add this string to maybe Fayaz, let's see what it prints out. As you can notice that there is no space between Muhammad and Fayaz. This is why it is important to be careful when you're working with strings, because strings are very the whole Python code in fact is very what do we call it, read hard lines, that it doesn't do things which we humans do manually in our whole life without even realizing. It is very strict on what you write. If you don't write any space, it won't do any space at all. So Please pause the video and do these two tasks of writing your names 5 times without manually writing it, but rather using multiplication, and then also print your full name using multiple strings of such as this one, your first name, your middle name, and your surname, and make sure to add a space with them to make your name more readable. Pause the video and let me know if you're able to do it. Well done. You have managed to do a lot of things so far. Not only you now know the data types, but you're also able to perform mathematical operations on strings as well. If you have any question or if you're struggling with any part so far, do place a comment and do let me know so that we can discuss it and be able to rectify that error or be able to discuss it before proceeding to more complex functions. Till then, keep practicing, take care, and goodbye.